Good YouTubing, everybody. Thanks for stopping by and visiting the channel. Let's talk about Ant-Man and the Wasp by Marvel Legends, also by HASBRO. What we're going to talk about is some measurements, articulation, look at the accessories, check out the box, pricing, and where the figure was purchased. And we're also going to get a close look up to the figure, look at its paint job, and other things that we can find that is wrong with it, or maybe not find anything wrong with it. But at the end of the video, we'll have a few photos up showing the figure in multiple poses with all of its accessories. So let's go ahead and take her down off the stand and let's give her a measure. Okay, she's standing tall, waiting for that measure stick. We're going to go ahead, we're going to start from the inches side. So let's go ahead and start it from the inches. And it looks like she's going to be right under 6 inches. So if she's under 6 inches, she's going to be on the centimeter side. She should be right under 16 centimeters. That's where she's at. That's where she's standing. And that's what we're working with today. Okay, before we check her up, get this closer look at her, let's go ahead and take a look at those accessories she has. We're going to start off with her wings. I love the wings because of the fact that, man, they're so easy to put in the body and they move in many different directions. I do like that about the wings. Very great job on the wings here. There they are. Like I said, they move. All 4 of them do. And I like that. Okay, there goes your wings. Let's go take a look at this helmet here. Loving the helmet. Nice job on the helmet. Let's see if I can get a nice shot here. Hold that. Great job on that helmet. I was impressed being able to see the eyes inside looking good. That is a nice job. Paint job is okay. And it's not too bad. I'm very impressed with it. All right. And then you got your additional hands here. Just opposite of the hands you see in the background. There you go. There you go. Flat, balled up. All right. And then you got your build-a-figure piece here. There he is. Ready to get built. Okay. And that's it on the accessories. So we're going to go ahead and get a closer look on how they did with this figure. All right. When I look at the figure up close and I see that face, I know the woman that played her, very attractive. And they did very, very well on her face structures. Looks just like her. Hair, looking pretty good. Kind of flexible here for your your articulation. And then you have the other part where the sticks in. This is another piece. That's where the wings stick in. And then when you're not using them, it goes in place. Nicely done. You got some paint here. The paint that they're using, let's see, over black is what they're doing. They're using some paint over some black, and they're using some kind of gold. It looks like the gold is on there very lightly and can be scuffed, but it's still a great looking figure. I like it. Got your black there, more of that gold, and you got some red lining coming across here. Nicely done. Yeah, I like that. Come on the back side here of the arms, a lot of that kind of navyish bluish. You know, I thought for a second that was black, but that is like a navy blue, if you can tell. Okay, that's a navy. That's like a dark blue. All right. That's going to be the same on the whole entire leg. It's got a couple of ridges, like she's wearing some pants. But other than that, it's the same color all the way down from her ankles to her shoes. Okay. All right. Got some stuff by the hands here. All right. Same thing there. I think doesn't she shoot something out of that? I'm not quite sure. Okay. And that's that appearance. Look at that face. Smiling right at you, right? Gotta love her. So let's go ahead and check out that articulation. So let's grab this thing and see what she got on that articulation. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the head. We know the head work is where we like the most for me. And let's see how it works. We got a full swivel. And you know the head work is going to be good because of the fact that she has 2 heads. And usually when you got 2 heads, you got great movement in your head. So we got the down here. You got that down, side, all the way around. I mean, you're up. Even got a decent up. That is pretty good. I like that. So we're going to go to the back. Of course, we know this disconnects for the wings, comes out, and you put the wings on in. Okay, let's go with the shoulders here. Shoulders rotate all the way around, and I think they do have this. They do have a latch, so the latch rotates all the way around with it, and you can latch in any way you like. And then in the arm here, I felt was kind of stiff. Right here, just a little stiff movement, just one little stiff movement up and down. I was looking for a swivel, but I don't see a swivel. So that's it on the arm coming down. So we got the same thing. It's going to be on both sides. So let's go to the hands. The hands have a latch in them so they can cock up, as you can see how I have it. Cocked up like that. And you can cock it down. And that's it. And a little rotation. And of course, they come with 2 additional hands. Yep. That's it on the arms there. Okay, so let's go to the midsection. Midsection turns. Yeah, she's got two part way at the top here. Then she's got the crunch, which I'm not thinking that's what you call quite a crunch, because the crunch is right by the thighs here, by the legs. But I guess that is a crunch when you use both. So yeah, crunching out there and crunching in. Great. So let's go ahead for the legs. Legs are on, I guess they're not on the fly. Looks like they're on a long pole ball point. That's what it seems like. So they do rotate all the way around. As you see, try to get it go all the way around. And then you also have your thigh swivel. Then your knee. I think it has a 2-point. So you got the up, and then you got the all the way in for your knee. That's it on the legs. Okay, so let's go down to the feet. All right, the feet are on the ball. They do turn around. Actually, yeah, they do turn. You know, they turn, but it seems really hard to do. And then they have a latch that make them go up. There's no pivot, it's just a latch. All right, and that's pretty much it on the articulation of this figure. I'm gonna go ahead and give this figure, I'd say, a 4 out of 5, because it looks really good. The articulation is not too bad. I just like the way that they did this figure, because it looks really great. So mine is a 4 out of 5. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and give me your numbers. So here's the box. You got Marvel Legends series on the top. You got the pieces inside the box with the build the figure, Cold Obsidian. I think it's called Cull Obsidian, if I'm right about that. There goes the figure, extra head, pieces, and Marvel's Antman and the Wasp. Marvel's Wasp. Okay, let's turn it to the side here. You got some artwork. Other side, same artwork. On the back, you got a little saying here. Nice little artwork here, and your build the figure stuff here. And on the bottom of that box here is that great stuff you want to pause and read. That is the box. And yes, Amazon did a good job on shipping my product. I wasn't angry with them. No dent up boxes. Everything was perfect. Thanks, Amazon. And this brings us to the end of our video. If you found the video informational or you just enjoyed watching, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, this has been another toy review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.